day 37 of explaining something very simply under 2 minutes so I can understand it better. So, I spoke about the Peto's paradox, which is how large animals, even though they have more number of cells, more cell division, more chances of mutation, and more chances of mutation occurring in the oncogene or tumor suppressor genes, still get cancer extremely rarely. This is the Peto's paradox. And I spoke about elephants in particular. But are there other animals also that get cancer very rarely, extremely rarely, and why? So, elephants have 100 times more cells than humans and they get cancer rarely. But whales have 1,000 times more cells than humans and even they rarely get cancer. It's so the mechanism in whales is, instead of duplicating tumor suppressor genes, whales rely on superior DNA repair pathways. So their cells overexpress repair proteins like ERCC1, allowing them to fix double-stranded DNA breaks with a much higher accuracy and efficiency than human cells. And apart from whales, apart from larger animals, there are also small animals that get cancer very rarely. So one example is the blind mole rat. So these are subterranean rodents and live up to 21 years but do not develop tumors. And they have evolved a targeted continuous immune response that rapidly locates and induces early cell death called apoptosis in precancerous cells. Because they live in low oxygen environments, their metabolic pathways are structurally altered to naturally suppress rogue cell growth. And another animal is the naked mole rat. So these are uniquely resistant to both spontaneously and chemically induced tumors and they live up to 30 years. The mechanism is that they secrete high concentrations of a thick sugar-like molecule called hyaluron in long chains HMM/HA. When a mutating cell begins to crowd or divide rapidly, hyaluron triggers early contact inhibition, stopping cell proliferation before a tumor can form. And this is how some animals get cancer extremely rarely, and maybe some research can be done to mimic these mechanisms.